Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Lynn and Scott in the Philippines. Good day, good day.
Are you done now?
Yeah.
Good day. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good night. Adios.
Hello guys. So thank you so much to all the viewers that who watch our video, the past video, and hope you like it. And of course, don't skip the ads and share also, guys. Thank you so much. We really appreciate all of you. So for today's video, for this morning, because now it's morning here in the Philippines. Time check is 9 o'clock in the Philippines. So how's your morning, Dong?
Sleepy. Long morning. Run here, run there.
Running.
Have the cat attack me.
But sounds good. It's to do exercise. This morning, guys, I want to share to all of you about the 7 cores value for relationship. Core?
Sure, why not?
Core means C-O-R-E. Core.
You have a hole here, and I put a core in there so you can hear them.
What are core values in relationship? Core values in relationship are the fundamentals, beliefs, and principles that shape how partners treat each other, make decisions, and envision their future together. Do you have like that? So, number 1. So, we start na, guys. The 7 core values for strong relationship. I'm sorry, guys, our background is noisy.
We have the mics on, you're okay.
I hope you hear us.
We have the mics on, you're okay.
So, the 7 core values for strong relationships. Number 1, communication. Good communication in relationship means sharing your thoughts, feelings, and needs openly and honestly, while also listening carefully to your partner. Openness in relationship can help both of you understand each other clearly, so you can solve problems more easily, support each other better, and build a deeper emotional connection. We have like this.
What?
This communication.
We have we have deep connection. Deep. Jesus' name, it's deep.
What can you say the communication? So in our relationship, we have
on what channel we're on.
Yeah, our relationship, we have a communication.
It's a communication. I don't know what it comes out to be, but yeah.
So what do you think is it's help to strong core values or strong?
Sure, why not? What do you think? You don't know.
50-50. How about you?
Communication wise is probably 90-10.
What's
90
that?
and 10. 90 Tagalog, 10 English.
So the second core values for strong relationship. Hope guys you have you have
write this down because it's very important.
That's very important.
Write it down word for word, everything she says.
Yeah.
You understand?
The second one is core values strong relationship is trust. When you trust your partner, you feel safe with them, knowing they respect your feelings and look out for your best interest. Trust in relationship is built through consistent action, honesty, and reliability. Reliability. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
It allows partner to feel secure, be vulnerable, knowing their in a supportive environment. Is that right?
Supportive environment. Yeah.
Trust.
Yeah, trust. That's what I keep saying. When I turn around and my translator's not there, she's down there because she's too shy to come up to the counter with me. Where's the trust?
So in our relationship, you have trust each other.
Yeah, you're supposed to.
Supposed to.
You don't trust
so bear it in your mind, guys, that we have trust so that we have a strong relationship.
Well, and the trust will build. And the longer you're together, the more trust you have. If you love each other and if the trust doesn't grow with it, then it's like the communication part. The communication doesn't grow with it. You're. Let's move on to the next Filipina. Next.
What the heck? Oh, you have another ano. So the next, the third one is respect. Respect in relationship means valuing each other individually, opinions and boundaries. Treating your partner as an equal and appreciating their unique qualities and perspectives can help make each other feel valued and important. This can encourage personal growth and strengthen the bond between you. Does that help? That respect?
Oh yeah, you gotta have respect.
These common
Like the song
values.
says, RESPECT. That is what you mean to me.
What's this?
Some song, blues song.
Okay.
Respect.
Yeah,
Gotta have a
respect.
little respect.
Yeah, any kind of, not only the relationship, not only a partner relationship, but everywhere.
Well, you should have
You have
respect for
respect.
everybody until, like the way I was raised was, you have respect for a person until they show you they don't want your respect. And what that means is, somebody comes up to you and starts being a real jerk, then they don't want respect.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
but yeah, respect everybody, no matter what, no matter
What kind of relationship?
color, creed, religion,
Yeah.
handicap or not, whatever. Just respect people. You know, that's what's wrong with some of this world is not enough respect going around sometimes. Everybody just takes everything on, thinks they're in charge of everything.
Yeah. Next is the fourth one is loyalty. Looks like this the seven core seven core values for strong relationship is like common, no? Loyalty. The number 4, during challenging times, loyalty in relationship means choosing your partner's side, supporting them, and working together to overcome obstacles. Loyalty can help build trust and show your commitment to each other.
Yeah.
Our relationship, you have a loyalty?
One of us does.
Loyalty, yeah.
Loyalty, yeah.
Yeah.
Now, what do you think?
Yeah, we had a loyalty.
Oh, yeah? We do?
So that's...
Who has the loyalty, me or you? Or both of us?
Both of us.
Oh.
What do you think?
Okay, I'll go with that. Because I'm told I have to.
The next one is the 7 core values strong relationship is appreciation. Showing appreciation in relationship.
Appreciation?
Yeah, showing appreciation in relationship means recognizing and expressing gratitude for your partner and the things they do. Noticing the positive aspect of your partner and the relationship and not taking them for granted can boost happiness, reinforce positive behavior, and enhance the quality of your relationship.
Yep.
Yeah. Right?
Oh, yeah.
The appreciation.
Appreciation, you know, even just for the little things like we talked about, you know.
Yeah.
Even just the little things, just, you know, the pat on the back and the pat on the head. Right?
Do massage and it's hurt.
But, you know, I
You
mean,
do massage, it's hurt.
It's appreciating everything you have and don't worry about what you don't have. You know, That's what appreciation is all about in a relationship. If you want to be married to or dating a guy that can afford to buy you $50 million, 50 million peso house or whatever,
Mm.
and the guy you're with can't, and you can't appreciate what he can give you, then you need to move on. Plain
Mm.
and simple. If you can't appreciate what he can do for you, then move on.
Mm-hmm. Okay, in our relationship, we have appreciation each other.
Oh,
What you
yes.
think?
I appreciate every day when she goes to church, I get the house to myself. Oh,
Oh wow. Oh,
nice
this.
and quiet. Man, we just sleep, sleep, sleep.
Mm-hmm. The next one is the sixth one is forgiveness. And the seven cure strong relationship. Forgiveness, letting go of anger and resentment toward your partner when they make mistake or hurt you can help you move forward without holding on to past
Grievances.
grievances.
Mhm.
Forgiveness in relationship can show you value the partnership more than the mistakes.
What do you think of that?
Oh, really?
What do you think of that? Forgiveness.
Yeah, it's this forgiveness. Not only about the relationship that we have a partners, but everybody, we have a forgiveness to those
Well, like I always
person. Yeah.
preach, don't go to bed mad. I mean, try and finish whatever your disagreement is before you go to sleep. That way you wake up the next morning with a fresh morning, a fresh smile, and everything like that.
Yeah.
Take one day at a time. You take one day at a time. The next morning's a new day. So you want to finish that day before you go to sleep. And forgiveness is part of that.
Yeah.
All of us make mistakes, men, women, whatever. And so if it wasn't, especially if it's not intentional hurting you or something, and it's just a mistake that someone always makes, then yeah, they just got learn to forgive on a daily basis. I mean, we do.
You have in our relationship we have a forgiveness.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
we have a forgiveness. Not
Maybe somebody
only
owes me something.
any people. No? The last one, but not the least, openness. Openness in relationship means being willing to share your thoughts, feelings, and experiences with your partner. It's also involved listening to your partner's ideas,
Hmm.
feelings, and
Hmm.
needs.
Hmm.
Openness can encourage honesty, deepen emotional intimacy,
Hmm.
and help you grow and adapt together.
Hmm.
Approach your relationship with
Uh-uh.
non-judge.
Uh-uh. It's an ad. Yeah, I mean, we've talked about that many times since I've been here. That she thinks because I'm from the United States that my ideas won't never work here in the Philippines,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
And she's come to find out that uh, my ideas do work here. That whatever, not everything works. Everybody has ideas. Everybody comes up with ideas and stuff. So not everything is perfect. Not everything works. But I'm talking about just listening to me.
Mm-hmm.
Well, for an example, like with the store, right? When we moved to this house, I had him build this gate out here for the store. And I said, you need to put either some plexiglass or some fencing up there so nobody can reach in to the store because the way they put the bars on there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, no.
Because it's
And
expensive.
then about a week later, one of her friends come over. I think maybe it was Ann or something. Oh, then you need to put a fence up there. Somebody's going to reach into your storage and take stuff. Oh, okay. So she put the fence up there. It's like, okay. Don't listen to the white guy because the white guy doesn't know what he's talking about. Well, you're from the United States. How would you know? Because in the United States, nobody steals nothing in the United States.
Okay, so those seven core
So, what
values.
do you think about the last one?
Openness, yeah, sometimes I am
We'll
not.
talk about it.
Openness, sometimes, yeah, I didn't listen sometimes. Because maybe he is a punk. Not because the APAM, he needs to do this now, make decision now. Me, I cannot make decision like that's
Now, I like to be on time. Now, I
now
like to be on time.
on time.
Not 3 hours later. Okay.
So those guys that we shared to us, to you guys, I
Sure,
mean,
guys.
those guys, the 7 core values, strong relationship. For me, it's not only about relationship like this partner, but to everybody. So you have we have like that so that we have relationship.
I don't mean to yawn every time she talks. Just
So this we share, guys. It helps to your relationship between each other, something like that.
well, these are good for friendships
Mm.
too.
This is a common values.
Common value.
Mhm. To you we used to it.
All right, so thanks, guys, for stopping by. We appreciate you watching the videos. Hope you're enjoying them. Hope you're learning something from them.
Yeah, really.
And come back and see us again. We'll see what magic she has for the next video.
Yes, thank you so much, guys. See you our next video, and God bless everyone. Bye.
Bye, everybody.